No power could be caused by one of your peripherals. Shut down your computer and disconnect any external peripherals connected to the system. After you've done that, turn on the computer to see if it powers on. If it does power on, you should still but if it doesn't power on, then try using a power outlet that you know is working well. Unplug the power cord from the power outlet you are currently using. Locate another working outlet and plug the power cord into that one. Once you're all reconnected, try turning on the system. If it turns on, contact the Dell Tech Support agent through social media for further assistance. If it doesn't turn on, check the AC adapter and the power cord. Inspect the AC adapter and the cords for any physical damage. Depending on the extent of the damage, this could be the cause. If you have access to another functioning power cable, swap it with the one currently being used. Connect the new one and try to turn on the system. If your PC turns on, contact the Dell Tech Support agent for further assistance. If this step doesn't solve the power issue, then try performing a power drain on the system. To do a power drain for laptops, you have to disconnect the AC adapter from the computer and separate the battery. If the battery is accessible externally, remove it by sliding the locking clips. If the battery is internal, on the laptop's bottom panel, remove each screw. Be careful with any washers, as they may prevent the screws from being removed. Next, carefully disconnect the battery from the motherboard. Locate the cable and gently pull the plastic piece. For laptops with internal batteries, you do not need to remove the battery. With the cable disconnected, orient the computer to its upright position. After the battery has been separated from the laptop, press and hold the power button for 15 seconds. When this is done, reconnect the internal battery by reinserting the battery cable into the motherboard, making sure the plastic piece is properly connected. Then refasten the bottom panel with all the screws. For external batteries, simply put the battery back into place. Reconnect the AC adapter and try to power on the computer. If your laptop is able to power on, contact the Dell Tech Support agent for further assistance. To do a power drain for desktops, remove all external peripherals, such as the monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Disconnect the power by unplugging the power cord from the wall outlet. Then press and hold the power button for 10 seconds. Afterwards, reconnect the power cord to the wall outlet and try to power on your computer. If your desktop can power on, contact the Dell Tech Support agent for further assistance. If the power drain didn't do the trick, it's time to try resetting the computer's real-time clock. Keep in mind that not all models have this option available. To do this, power off the computer and be sure it's connected to a power outlet. Press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. After releasing the power button, the system will restart several times. Once the reset is complete, the system will reboot. The Dell splash screen being displayed will indicate the reset was successful. Next, repeatedly tap the F2 key to enter BIOS. Once within BIOS, configure the date, the time, the boot lists, and the SATA operation. After you've completed these configurations, try restarting your PC. If resetting the real-time clock worked, you should still contact a Dell Tech Support agent. If none